Hi, welcome to another installment of Condition Corner. Today we're going to talk about one of the top, if not the top, complaint of going into doctor's offices, and that's fatigue. When you go in and talk about having fatigue issues, people have a lot of different solutions. They either drink a lot more coffee, they're out there drinking the different energy drinks full of sugar and caffeine, but those are all coping mechanisms that are part of that process. Also, when you're tired, you have a tendency to want to eat sugar or carbs to get that little boost. It does work for a short time, by the way, because when you eat that sugar, not only do you get the energy from the sugar, but it also stimulates epinephrine from your adrenals, and you get a little bit of a boost. However, long term, that's not going to be the good solution, because all these things with the caffeine and or sugar content either adds to your waistline or certainly begins to burn out your nervous system. So when it comes to fatigue, it's important to look and see what's actually, like everything else we do, looking at what's causing it. A lot of people come in and say, I think my adrenals are making me tired, and that's pretty much true of all planet Earth. Yes, adrenals play a role, but the adrenals are only trying to help you tread water, so to speak, in life. And so they are indeed our fight or flight glands. They do play a role in fatigue, but we have to look at those in the context, and they're not first in line. What we see oftentimes is people have problems with thyroid, and thyroid is another condition we'll talk about at some future date, but thyroid can make you tired, and we have to find out if it's something that's causing an issue as far as your thyroid is concerned. Some individuals actually have a virus. There's a whole host of different what we call chronic fatigue viruses. Given the opportunity, these viruses don't stay dormant. They actually proliferate, and they can come in and just really cause almost just extreme exhaustion. Other individuals might have trouble with their insulin. If you're hypoglycemic, if you're not handling your sugar getting into the cells, you can't make the energy appropriately. And that's yet another area, is if we're not getting the energy produced inside the cell, or your major energy for your body is produced by the mitochondria, which are little organelles inside each individual cell of your body. And they require very specific nutrients to get their job done, and they require an environment that's not full of toxins and other inflammatory mechanisms that interfere with their ability to do that. So fatigue on the face is a very complex issue in terms of many situations, but we can really evaluate which of these conditions might be causing this, and then really get you back on the road to having the energy and the vitality that you really want to enjoy the things in life that you want. So come on by, we'll take a look at your fatigue and figure out what's going on. Thanks.